Okay, you guys, it's about like 2 days later, so I'm gonna update you guys in the car. It's still sitting there. I still need that line. It doesn't come in until Tuesday. So what Jeremy's gonna do, because worst case scenario, I don't know like his schedule's like. He's like pretty busy right now with his own personal things going on. But what I figured that would be the best bet for both of us is just to make the car NA, which I know it sucks because we just did all that work to make a turbo, right? So we're gonna make it NA, gonna get a header, slap it on, tune it like that, so that way I can go ahead and do the safety and then the safety inspection and get the registration so I can ship it. I want to ship the parts to California, and I'm gonna pick them up out there eventually. Like before I go to Texas, I was gonna go to Cali first. So before I go to Texas, I'm gonna go to Cali. I'm gonna pick up those parts, and then when I drive back, when I get back out there, I have everything I need. Then I can just slap it on, and then I can do remote tune and tune it like that. But we were so close, you guys. We were so close. I just wanted to update you guys and everything. So, I mean, it sucks, yeah, but it's like, what are you gonna do? I have to ship the car so we can get there by the time I get to Texas, like in some time. It takes a while for these cars to get from here to Texas. So, yeah, just to update you guys. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the videos. It really sucks. I was really ready to like, oh my gosh, we were so close. It's gonna suck because I gotta ship all that stuff from here to. It's gonna cost a lot, so that's just gonna be the only sucky part. I was almost turbo. one line, and I can't find it nowhere. Nowhere on island has that. Like, oh my gosh, I'll call everybody. Yeah, I need an oil restrictor, and the reason I need an oil restrictor is because if you put too much, the Hondas make 80 psi for oil pressure. And those turbos are supposed to have like 45 or something like that. So if I run it straight there, then it's gonna blow the system turbo, then I'll be out of a turbo. And then I gotta buy a whole new turbo. So yeah, so just gotta be patient. NA for now, and we're gonna be turbo when we get in Texas. You know, whatever. So see y'all in the next episode, man. I want to be turbo. Kai said I want to be turbo. Okay guys, back with another one. I don't even know how many days is going on with this, but to update you guys on the why am I so, there we go. To update you guys in the car, so I ordered the line. It's supposed to be here today. Today's Tuesday, so hopefully that comes in like I was supposed to. It should be up for delivery. Let me check this to make sure. So I had to order the whole kit, and I was hoping this came fast enough so I could ship the car. Oh my gosh, take this off Wi-Fi. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. But while I'm looking for this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put the side skirt on, and I had these clips for a minute. And the way you do these clips is, let's see, out for delivery. So cool. All right, so. So you guys, out for delivery. Yay. So how you do these little clips is, this is like $3 on Amazon. Pretty much leave this part on. You pull these little things outwards, and they just plug it in. So it's supposed to look like this. And these are supposed to connect onto, where are they at? Those things right there. So I'm gonna see if I can get these on. If I can finally get my side skirt on after months. Look how old these clips are. These things are old. So for the best. I had a side skirt on my car in months, bro. Ever since my last dyno. do. I'm gonna just put these inside the grooves where it's supposed to go, and then I'm gonna just pop it in. Let's try that. So you got pulleys out like that, and I'm gonna see if it goes in. This one's not gonna stay. That one's fucked. Got a side skid back in the car. Nice. Coming together now, coming together nicely. Ooh, you're gonna see my car like that in a minute. Ooh. Side skirt on point. Hey, I don't look like a piece of shit no more. Okay guys, so came in the mail. Finally. I was hoping it was gonna come today. Everything's like so last minute, so we need, hopefully, it's a little small box. Everything we need right here. The line, which I already have the line, but why not? We got a line now. The fittings. This is what we needed right here. See that? I don't know if I can. See that? Oil restrictor. So it's bigger on this side, and then this side smaller. And that's so it doesn't mess with the dang oil. Like, it doesn't blow the seals. The reason you need that, you can't, like, in the Honda, you can't run this line straight to the turbo without this oil. Well, what's a flange, but it's an oil restrictor. This part right here. The reason you can't run it straight there is because on most turbos, correct me if I'm wrong, but at least the when I was looking, I have a Garrett turbo, right? So you can't run the oil straight there, or it'll blow the seals. So you need an oil restrictor. I mean, you could probably do some other things like make the return, like probably like make the return, I don't know, like a bigger or something. I don't know, but yeah, we got what we need. Sheesh. Waiting this whole time for that, man. Everything's so last minute. Still gotta get a safety. But I guess you guys see what happened in the next episode of when we put this together, because now we have the parts. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got like 10 seconds left in this. So make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and if you want, what I'm saying, hit that notification bell if you want to see what happened next. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.